Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we back. Another trading session, man. Look at this. Yeah, boy. I got out. I got out right here this morning. Got out right here. Let me go ahead and put that in there. Got out. It was like just 5 minutes ago. Got out the tub. And yes, sir. Let me make sure the stream is going good real quick. Make sure everything doing what it's supposed to do. Bam. Yes, sir. Made money. Woke up to some money, man. Well, I didn't wake up. I already was woke, but opened the markets to some money. You feel me? It's always nice. Let me see where my stuff at. View channel. Yep, we looking good. We looking good. So yeah, made some money. Now let's go to SPY. Boom. Let's go to SPY. See what we doing. Yep, consolidation. Probably about to start back heading to the upside. I would actually look for sales today. Sales all day. That's what I'm thinking. Well, if we come back down to this point about right here. Bam. Yes, sir. So I'm thinking, like I said, we get a pullback down about this area. I'll be looking for sales, but I'm not interested in buys. And we haven't passed, this little accumulation right here. So I'm not really too interested in it right now. But sales do look good. You know what I'm saying? Sales do look good. Let's look at gold. Came up, bounced from this previous higher low. Bam. Oh, this is the 5 minute. Let me look at the 1 hour. Uh-oh, look like it's, yeah. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna continue down, man. If I had to take a guess. So yeah, I will be looking at buys. 15, 5, 10. I go to the 10. This the previous higher low. I mean lower high. Yeah. I would like, since we bounced from right, I mean, I would actually, this is a good spot right here to actually try to get some buys in right here. But let's keep going. You know what I'm saying? VOO, Dollar Tree. It's looking like if we get like a green, if we come up, see this one, I'm gonna have to wait on a daily. If we come up like somewhere in this area, start rejecting from anywhere in here, get a green, then yeah, I would like to hop in for buys. But until then, I'm not really interested. This one look like we're at this point right here. Bam. So I don't know what is that. Why I got that there? Could potentially be doing this right here though. You know what I'm saying? Could stop right here. If this goes past that, then let me go down. I would just really look at this one on a daily. We're not at a point where we're at all-time highs, so I would wait. I'm going to wait till we get a pullback. You know, something like this. We just had the pullback. Now we're headed to the upside some more. Look, then we got the wick right here. So yeah, wait for a pullback, probably to test this area right here, somewhere in here. Pullback comes somewhere up in here, possibly. That's the only way I'd be interested in that, for real. Weekly, we bouncing. I'm waiting for a pullback though. This looks like it might be starting to go to the green side, but I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Ooh, went from 91 to 94 this morning. That could have been some money. It could have been some big money, bro. Miss you at what? I don't know what that is. Yeah, this one kind of everywhere. Kinda. We got this area right here that it really don't want to pass, like, and this looked like a head and shoulders. So I think we could possibly get a retracement all the way up into here for real. Like these are weak. These aren't really strong. These aren't really strong. I don't know. To me, this is the previous ultimate higher low because this just look like a head and shoulders. Bam, bam. Look like we could probably. So until we pass here, I'll be looking for sale opportunity. Oh, wrong one. Till we pass here, I'll be looking for sale opportunities for sure. In my opinion, you know what I'm saying. IBM. Look at that, man. Doom, 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 doom. Now we're okay. Yep. I think I called this yesterday. I said it looks like we're at somewhere in this area in the process of the market. So it's starting to consolidate a bit. I said it's probably gonna be going down. Looking for sales. I might get in. If we come back down and it's looking like it's starting to create head and shoulders right here. Bam, bam, came up, come back down, retest to head to the upside. Or it might just keep shooting. Either way it goes, I might get in, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Let me not. Let me see. IBM. IBM. To the 5th of December. They don't cost that much either. Oh, but the sales cost way more than the buys. That lets you know something too. But actually, I'll wait. Because should I wait? I think I should just get in, bro. I think over these next couple of days, we are going to be seeing downside moves. So why am I not wanting to get in? Do I think it's going to pull back some more? Possibly, but if you look at the way these move, it pull back, but it don't really pull back like that. Every night it pull, yeah. I'll wait for a pullback, man. I'll wait for a pullback. I don't wanna. Ice. Yeah, that looks like it's going to the upside for sure. Some more. Yeah, I like this one. What is this? Ice. Ice. Oh, they ain't got no volume though. Don't nobody know about them. Yeah, can't do it. I done dealt with that before. I might just delete them. AVGO. Still, yeah, I'm waiting for the pullback somewhere in this area right here. Bam. Anywhere in here will be good for the buys. But I ain't interested right now. Well, I'll be interested in sales. Yeah, I'll be interested in sales for sure. But AVGO, they options be costing like 1,000, 2,000. So I ain't really on that level yet. So Boom. Boom. Bop, bop, bop. Come all the way down. Yeah, it's kind of everywhere. It's kind of crazy. That weekly look good though. It show you what's going on. Coming back up. Yeah, I would be looking for sales. Higher, lower, lower, high, lower, low. I'll be looking for sales. And mind you, my charts are inverted, so the green is really up and the red is really down. You know what I'm saying? All right. Ooh, it's coming back to go. AZO coming back up here. You get back up there, man. That's grounds for termination. You know what I'm saying? That's grounds for annihilation. Feel me? Look, we got 3 wicks hitting this same spot right here. Then we got that right there. Keeps getting lower. Come back up in this area, bro. Yeah, you better hit that. But again, that's not on my level. But O'Reilly's is. Yeah, they get back up there. I'm definitely hitting O'Reilly's. They get back up there. I'm probably buy some shares of O'Reilly for real. You know what I mean? But let's go. Accept yourself. Nothing accept yourself. And J. Cole. But yeah, we had this weekly. We're at this. We're nearing these highs up here, which is a lot of buy pressure. So as of now, still looking for sales, but it's nearing the area where it's about time to start looking for buy opportunities for MLT, Lockheed Martin. In my opinion, these are my opinions. You know what I'm saying? Look, what I say yesterday, man. I said we crossed this line. Be looking for buys. Crossed this line. Came back up. Now we headed back to the green side. You know what I'm saying? I should have got in, bro. I should have been looking, but I wasn't looking at this. I'm a green it. I'm gonna mark it green. You could really still get in right here, cause it still got to get all the way to here. You know what I mean? That's $3 whole. That's $3 whole. That's $3 whole, bro. It's $3 whole. MU. Yeah, this one kind of going crazy. I don't really know where we done. But yeah, we came up, surpassed previous lower high, came up, bam, came back down, tested this area right here, tested this area of accumulation right here, bam. Now we're headed to the upside. Potentially. Once we pass this, that signifies that really we're headed to the upside, but we could start rejecting right here and potentially keep heading to the upside. So that one I'm not too sure. Apple, yep, keep going up. Keep going. It look beautiful, boy. Apple just looks amazing. I should have got in, man. I should have got in this week, but it's all good. I still making money. We made money on other plays, so I ain't really tripping. Oh yeah, I did make money on Pan W. Look, I could have stayed in too. I already knew it. Oh wait, nah, I got out at the right time cause we. But that just confirmed it. I can get in right here, bro. I can get in right here. We come back up and do this again. Do something like this. We get another week up here, test again. Oh yeah, I'm hitting that. All right, Pan W, Apple. Those were good plays to watch. RTX. Higher low. I mean lower high. I mean lower. Yeah, lower high. Lower low. Now on the minor structure, got that right there. I will wait for a pullback and then I'll get in for sales. Is what I will wait for, me personally. All right, let's see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Starbucks. No, we drew this yesterday, or either yet sometime this week. We drew this line right here to the downside. We could potentially be starting to see this right here. You know what I'm saying? This curvature to the upside. If you, if I minimize it, let me zoom. Oh, I haven't even been, bro. My bad. I gotta let me the other side, man. Cause that way y'all can actually see what I'm got going on. Cause I like to look at it kind of long ways. I've been tripping. So yeah, I've been tripping. I need to keep myself on the long side. That looks way better. But who said hello? Merry Christmas to everyone. It ain't even Christmas. It's December 3rd. What the world? Oh, that's the workplace though. Yeah, they got a little thing she did going on. But yeah, we reached the heights of these. In my eyes, how I view this, lower high, lower low. Now we're starting to create some consolidation. We reached the top of this area of consolidation, and so we're probably about to head to the upside for a while, at least till somewhere in here. We could pull back into here somewhere. Let me drop down. Yup. I think I think sometime this week I actually called this that we're gonna head with all this right here. Look, we got 4 touches. I think it's going to drop down. It's either going to super drop past all this, or it's going to drop down, come back up, retest, and it to head back down. What I'm waiting for is that come down, come up, retest. And this is, and mind y'all, like I said, this this is my charts are inverted. So the green is really up and the red is really down. Sell opportunities possible. Look, I told you what I said yesterday. Sell opportunities possible. Sure is too. Look what it did. I'm telling you, bro. Hey, that boy get caught with the fucking That boy get caught. Hey, quit playing with that boy, man. That boy finna be rich soon, boy. Y'all should have. Hey, y'all gonna have to start paying for these. You feel me? So you better take advantage while it's free, cause one day this gonna cost some money. I'm telling you. One day this gonna cost some money. This gonna definitely. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. All right, let me calm down. I'm just happy because I finally becoming, finally stepping into that realm of profitability, and it feels amazing for having worked on this craft for so long and have it take so much from me. You know what I'm saying? I finally get to get my get back. This one is everywhere. I don't know really. Can't call that one too much. We're in a peculiar spot right here. It looks like it's gonna probably start creating some consolidation from right here to right here for a while before picking a way to go. And so I'm not that interested. UNH heading to the upside. Create the head and shoulders right here. Now, if you look at the weekly, all this does is head to the upside. So, what I believe is happening is we came up, dropped all the way back to this previous section over here, somewhere near it. We came near it. Bam, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Came, and the right shoulder is also testing this previous bottom of this left shoulder, which is extra confirmation for me. You know what I'm saying? To me. And also, when we go down to the daily, we got left, head, potential. I would call that a right shoulder, bro. I would call that a right shoulder. It didn't, it's just the opposite of the other one. This one is going like this. Now the daily is going like this. And I was right, man. I'm pretty sure I called this. I'm pretty sure I said this is probably gonna head this way. I could be wrong. I might be wrong. I don't know. I don't remember. I might not even call this one because if I would have called it, I would have placed the purple thing on it most likely. But that's probably this one is actually looks good. It's probably about to head to the upside for a while. Let me undo this one because I don't think I. WMB. Yeah, this one I said I wasn't interested in yesterday. Walmart going crazy. I need that pullback though. You need a pullback for me, baby. Pullback, baby. We get a pullback. It's somewhere in here, cause I ain't. Oh yeah, that look good, cat. But we got this double bottom right here that is potentially as a potential hazard to the to my bias of greenery. That is a potential hazard to my bias of greenery. But if I gotta be honest, bro, we done came up, wicked out up here. Wicked out. We done wicked out. Uh, Look, 30 minutes shows it. Wicked out then. Ooh. But the 15-minute we done surpassed. We came up. Surpassed. So I'm not really interested in this one. Uber. I don't really know. Let me see. Just started. This could potentially be this right here. And if you see what happens, it comes up, passes all this bull corn, comes down, tests that line though. Look, I'm gonna draw a line. Bam. That's what my eye sees. That's what my eyes see without it having to be there. Know what I mean? It came up, surpassed that, came down, tested that line, bam. Now we're headed to the upside. Now let me draw this right here. Oh, now this is what my eyes see over here. Testing that line. We could potentially be coming down to test this line right here. Somewhere in here. To potentially head to the upside. Well, the downside for the, you know what I mean, for the what the actual market is, but the upside on my charts. We start getting some of this choppiness in here, and then we get a push up. I'll definitely be looking for sales. Let me see. I'll be looking for sales. For sales. We got this area right here where almost at all time highs came up, surpassed this right here. I mean, looking for sales. We got a we got a 4 hour red mark near previous higher low. Now don't get me wrong. We got this right here, this higher, but yeah, I'm looking for sales, bro. If I gotta be honest, I'm probably about to get into this one. Let me look. Yeah, I'm about to get into this one. This one got a lot of leverage. Sharp. What am I looking at? Sales. I'm looking for sales. Got a lot of leverage on this market right here. So I would actually like to see it come back down all the way to here again. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna put a red on it though. Let me see how much it would cost. And it ain't gonna cost that much either. Team 5. Yeah, I'll wait. I'm gonna wait for this 5 a little bit. Wait for this 5 to start showing me signs of reversal. Maybe we come back down to here, test again, or come back down all the way to here, test again, head to the upside. Well, the downside. Or if we create a wick right here, if this candle creates a wick and starts heading to the upside or the downside, I should say, I'm getting in. So we got 1 minute 58 seconds. I'm gonna sit here for a little bit and watch this candle. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm definitely looking at sales though. I just want to get the most leverage I can get on the markets. I don't want to, and I want to know it's gonna do it. I don't want to get in when I'm halfway. You know what I mean? When I'm not certain that it's gonna do what I think it's gonna do. Nah, I'm gonna wait to see if it's gonna do what I think it's gonna do. You hear me? I'm thirsty. Look, uh-oh. What is it doing? Starting to create this. Yeah, we get. Yeah. What are we doing? We get a big push up right here. I'm getting in for the sale. I really should probably get in now because I don't. We get a big push up like that. I'm losing leverage. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna be 156 when I can get at 157. But it could potentially also push this way. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Today the 3rd. I got 2 days. Let's look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we could potentially see it come all the way down, test this, and then come back. I don't. That's why. Yeah, we're in a peculiar spot right now, man. We're in a peculiar spot, my boy. So, peculiar spot. City. Ooh. Look at that. I probably said we needed to pull back. Pull back up into this area. I know that's probably what I said, but it continued. It just continues. So, I'm not really too interested, but I'm pretty sure it's going to keep going. Don't. Yeah. Not too interested right now. We need that pullback for me. Let's look at shop again. Yeah, okay, that costs too much. I ain't interested in that right now. Alright, so let's see, how does this typically move? We just did a lot of this. Is there anywhere we look? Maybe right here. It did that. Kept going. Did it create a wick? Yep. Came back up. Created a wick. So what could this be doing? Possibly coming back up, creating a wick. Coming back up, creating a wick. But we also have all the way up until here until we have freaking any kind of resistance for real. I guess you can count this as resistance. Let's look at the daily. Came up, retested this part right here. Yeah, I'm not too certain on this one, man. I gotta be honest. On 30 minute. No, previous higher low. Yeah, I'm not too certain. This one could go either way. Ooh. I know I called that. I know I called that one correctly. I know I did. I said we probably come up to this area. It looked like, yeah, I know I did. I said somewhere in it near this area we gonna start. We could start potentially see reversals. Now we doing that. And I'm gonna wait for a pullback of some sort. You know, probably ain't gonna pass this right here. Pullback of some sort, man. Knock that thing into the woods. 175 to 178, man. That could have been some money this morning. That could have been some money. But it's all good. There's more opportunities. Everything gonna keep pushing. It gonna keep moving. Daily, bam. Previous higher low. Starting to create a we got three little ones. Let me see. Let me see. It's kind of in a peculiar spot, man. Not really though. I mean, it's in the downtrend. What a uptrend. Yeah, I'll probably hit this up for the day at least. Yeah, I would put buys. I'll put buys for the day for now. Get a pull back up a little bit. Get a pull back up into this area. Somewhere in here. Probably come test this right here again. Oh. Come test this right here. Bam. Buys. Oh, is it about to do it? Let me. Uh-huh. Certainly has. Oh, look. Look what I'm telling you. Nah, we still got time though. It still could. But yeah, we come back in this area, bro. I'll be looking for buys. Me personally. But it don't move enough. It wouldn't move enough for me to like. Well, it might. What's this down here? 152, 49, 152. Yeah, that would be one. I might get in this tomorrow, bro. Or today at some point. If we get a pullback up into here, I'll definitely get in because then I have leverage. And if we get, you know what I mean, I'm gonna set an alarm. Set an alarm right there. We get pulled. If it pulls back anywhere in there, I'm getting in. I'm getting in to the upside. But it might just keep going before that. But I ain't trying to risk it. I'm trying to get the biscuit. Why risk it when you can just get the biscuit, man? We got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I don't know how many we got, but that's a lot more to go. Let me read that one. Daily. Hood. Look at that. I'm pretty sure. Well, nah, maybe I didn't. Maybe I said I probably said on this one we was gonna head to the downside. I'm probably wrong on that one. But looking at the weekly, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah, I'm about to put a buy in on this, bro. I ain't even gonna cap. I think this finish keep shooting. Yeah, let me look at it. Hood. That kind of cost a bit. Let me see what's this. This is 133. I think I'm about to get into this one. I just got in, man. Just got in, man. Just got in. Just got in. Time is at 10:46. Yup, got in. I could wait for the pullback, probably up into somewhere in this area, possibly, or this area. But when you look at how the green when it moves green, it moves green. You know what I'm saying? Look at this one. So I mean, it could potentially do this right here. It could. I probably should have waited for a pullback of a little bit. Maybe I wasn't being patient enough, but I think it's finna like drop at least to 136. Let me W Hood. W Hood. We passed that. I will no longer be interested. So let me. L Hood. Got in. Oh, that's the 30-minute too. Ooh, yeah. We get down to there, man. I'm getting out. I'm getting out, man. Sure, I'm getting out, man. Two seven five. All right. So now I just got into that. Let me put a green on that one. Just a minute. Look at that. I call this one like I believe this next week will come up to create wick to head down. It didn't create a wick. Oh wait, yeah, it did. Cause when did I write that? Well, it didn't. Yeah, well, it came up, then it headed down. It did exactly what the fuck I thought. Nah, I thought it was gonna do this on a weekly. I thought it was gonna do this on. I thought the weekly was gonna come up, create a wick to head down, but it didn't create a wick. Daily. This is a great one to freaking for options. Let me delete that. Delete that. Is if you get better. This is probably about to surpass this level right here, which indicates we could get into some buys. Yeah, that looks good. But that's it. I'm not finna go through the rest of them, bro. I'm in hood. I'm about to focus on this one. You know, I found the one that I think is good. I'm in it. That's all I need, bro. I'm not finna keep going. So that's the live for the day, man. We're in buys on hood. That's what I'm looking for. So catch y'all tomorrow, man. Catch y'all on the next one.